In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert footnote in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Okay, so I have prepared this sample for you, and then we are going to insert a footnote for this. So a footnote in Microsoft Word, that is a note placed at the bottom of a page used to provide additional information like citation or explanation of the specific text or the current text that you have. So this is our current text, and in order to insert a footnote, we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find all these tabs. Now click on the References tab, and here you'll find Insert Footnote. Add a note at the bottom of the page providing more info about something in your document. You can also press Alt plus Control plus F, okay? Alt plus Control plus F. And then you will be here at the bottom, and you just need to simply add a footnote. So it could be explanation or citations. Now, since I'm going to, or this is some meaning, so I'm just going to provide a citation for this. So I'm just going to copy the link from here, okay? And then I'm just going to go back to this one and then paste it here, okay? And as you can see this one symbol on the left pane. And if we're going to scroll up, you can also see that from here, okay? So you can see that it is from this consdictionary.com, Dictionary English Technology. Okay, so www.consdictionary.com. So that's it. That's how you can easily insert a footnote in your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.